It's scary to think social media is ending. Remember when Facebook and Twitter first got started? I remember when Twitter first launched. I was one of the first thousands that joined. Now, look at it. According to Statista, social media usage is one of the most popular online activities, and in 2020, 79% of the population in the United States had a social networking profile. That's a lot of users. Ever wondered how Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and TikTok make so much money from their users? Mostly the revenue comes through selling advertising. According to Investopedia, Facebook has over 2.5 billion monthly active users worldwide and estimates the average revenue per user, ARPU, in 2019 was $8.50. No wonder Facebook's co-founder Mark Zuckerberg is so wealthy. Sadly for most people, social media, as we know it, is dying. Around 90% of social media users will die right along with it. What do I mean by dying? Seems like it's growing. You heard the phrase, out with the old and in with new. Social media keeps doing the same old thing. Even when they think they are coming out with something new, they're not. Thinking only about how to benefit themselves. Yes, they give free resources to their users. But all successful businesses do that to attract new customers. Let's put it this way, you put a frog in cold water and slowly heat it, the frog does not realize he is dying. That's the way today social media is. Slowly boiling to death and they are blinded to it. The good news: you don't have to perish with them. If Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest shared their revenue with you, would you be living on easy street right now, not a financial care in the world? I would be. I'd be a millionaire 10 times over. Years helping social media owners get filthy rich, leaving you with empty pockets. If you were invited to be an active user on a new social media platform that shares 10% up to 50% of its revenue with you, would you join and use it? I know I would, and I have. This is the only media platform that builds their business with you in mind. What's the catch? The hidden truth. No catch, no hidden agenda, no lies or false hope. No money needed to invest, nothing. It's absolutely free to join and use. The fact is, you use it like any other social media platform. You post valuable content, like other people's content, share what others post, and while doing so, you are earning a percentage of this company's revenue. It doesn't stop there. This social media platform is always adding new ways, with you in mind, to help you create a passive income. It's not just about them. It's about you. Look around this video for a link and join free today.